ɔte obi ne ho ne nyame record gu nkopo hyew saa wɔ se papa wɔ yi wo adeɛ nkyɛw obɛfiri wiase ana ɔte hɔ amanfoɔ pae wɔ sɛ wayɛ kɛse ɔmɛmmɔ mpaeɛ agya da wase so deɛ wo kyekyɛ wɔdɔeɛ no yɛso yɛn nsa kan deɛ ɔde monyam nka wo din bebree sɛdeɛ ɔmmɔborɔ hunu no aso yɛ so bi yɛte ase a ne yɛahoɔdea yɛte ase a ne yɛ mmɔdemmɔ yɛte ase a ɛnyɛ yɛbusua papa bi ɛfiri mu ɔdɔeɛ no wo kyekyɛeɛ no ɔhu yɛ mmɔbɔ awurade wɔborɔ hunu a wode aho yɛ yi ɛnsesɛeɛ wɔ ho ɛna ase yɛnkɔm nkɔbɔ dawuro kyerɛ ma nsan sɛ ɛnkwa wode akyɛe ɛde ahommɔborɔ a wode aho yɛ no ma yɛmfa di agorɔ firi sɛ akontabuo da bɛba amea bɛbu ho atɛn ɛbɛbu ho kontakyɛw nti mesrɛ wo ɛberɛ a wo nsɛm bɛkɔ mfenama mu no wɔmmɔborɔ wo no ɔdɔeɛ no ɛnyɛ kɛse ɛwɔ kra biara som obi ahunu deɛ ba ɛne nhyehyɛeɛ da hɔ wɔnya no nyɛ ne kra nkwa awurade nnipa binom nnim ti de ɔmo bɔ ɔmo bra sɛdeɛ ɔmo apɛ na ɛberɛ no du no atam wakɔnya no wotra so a obi ntimi mmɛkasa no wɔ nim ɛno nti na ɔbɔ saa bra no wobɔ nipa ba wiase nyɛ da na wode nipa no ba wiase na no ɔwuyɛ wɔma ne mfie biatima tena ase atwa mu mfie aduo no twa mu mfie aduana akɔsi aduosia ɛnakyi da bia wobɔ no kɔkɔ ɛwɔ nneɛma bi ho wode kyerɛsɛm no bible so ato wiase yes sɛ nipa nhwɛ mu nkenkan Deuteronomy 17 hɔ na ase ahemfo mpo ɛnhwɛ sɛ ebi da ahemfie berɛ bi a na ɔma kenkan mesrɛ Awurade bia nipa ni wate wonsɛm bɛkɔ mfenamam bia nipa ni ma nipa nte nneɛma bi ase de wiase na hɔ kɔ akontabuo da hɔ nyina bɛpia akonnwa bi anim da koro na wɔase sɛ wotie me Awurade na bɛbie nipa ni ama nipa dane aba wo Jesus wo nkyɛn wobɛdwane agye ɔmo kra nkwa yɛmma wo nkyɛn mɛpɛ bambɔ kɛkɛ yɛmma wo nkyɛn mɛpɛ aduane nnie yɛmma wo nkyɛn mɛpɛ awareɛ yɛmma wo nkyɛn mɛpɛ honam agyapadeɛ na bi yɛba wo nkyɛn dwane aba bɛgye nkwagye bɛda wase so abie nipa som wo Jesus Christ to di mu nti amen adisɛm ɛti aduonu kikyamu du baako kɔsi dunum asɛm no ɔsɛ akontabuo da hɔ nti wɔsɛ obiara nwoma ɛda Nyankopɔn anim obiara nwoma hɔ you file the book of records ɛda Nyankopɔn anim na sɛ si adeɛ wɔ Nyankopɔn de n'ani ɛna ɛhwɛ adeɛ onyankyerɛ tamu akɔnya no so oburohunu deɛ so na ɔte te sɛ si a sɛ wopɛ boburohunu a wokɔ ne nkyɛn srɛ no ɔde akyɛw nipa nyinaa yɛ bɔne sɛ nyɛ Yesu na aba bɛwu ɛde ne mogya apepa nipa yɛ ɔma kɔ ne nkyɛn asrɛ ne bɔ nipa fire bɔ ne fakyaa ka nipa bi anyɛ papa wɔ asase so Psalm 51 David sɛ mede me na yam bɔne ne ɛde nyinsɛ me yɛwɔ meto bɔne mu ɛna madam suba yi nti ne nasefoɔ nyina nyɛ na Jesus yaba ɛnam ne mogya no so ama ɔbɛwu sɛ obi a ɔba ne nkyɛn no wɔde mogya ne bɛdware no afiri Adam gyebea bɔne nom na wɔdane no ba Nyankopɔn nsam na wɔyɛ kronkron nti nam Yesu so no Onyankopɔn selɛte ne nkurɔfoɔ wɔyi atamu da bi asi hɔ ɛbɛtena akonnwa bi so abɛbu nipa bi atɛn sɛdeɛ ɔba asase so ne nnwuma ɛtɛ mesi na nsɛ yɛ a mempɛ sɛ mɛkɔ ne kɛse pɛ sɛ mede to fam ma nipa bi ate ne ho ase woyɛ aberanteɛ no anom wi a na wate wo ho ase woyɛ abaaya wonyinsɛ yi tugu a na wate wo ho ase sɛ sakawa na wogye a na wahunu wawieɛ men ko de kase a di samatia duonu chichabu du ba kokosi dunu wo se Yohani ene kasa yo wo se ni hunu ahimwa fita kokoro ade de oteso a asase no so e dwane nanim ne wanya baabi ama wo mo na me huna wufuo enketo a ade akase so ogirigina ahimwa nanim ti asam ni yo ogina ahimwa nanim awufuo nketo ne akase na kyerese nipa wu agiri no okogina konwa bi anim ya training na so say rest in peace. This one ya so rest in perfect peace. Your peace is how. Muna mo hunu sa say na koto ho moko nti eye moko ni pania ne kopro ni pani kopia konwa bi anim. Ufo nketo ne akese so ogina akonwa no anim. Tu asem ni me be baso na akoma mo akese. Ufo nketo Yohani si ni obi na kachira mi o mi ankasa bi huni adiyem nyankopon bi ewi pa wi yesu kira mi ni huni yes story ni huni I saw it ti asami yo ufo nketo ani akase a chame for ni akonte hene ni ahemfo ministers and presidents ene nkoa ene nkola biya kojina konyo nim sabra njaji biya ni ho yesu nkwa na te konyo so obi e ba nim na oba wi ase ha ba ko bu hu akonta ya se to tira do so ye careful in life e wona me kan so monkai bre biya se mo me ka obi trame ko haba pa na kad na ko o sori bi obi ko da na ni we firi ho o ko da yi no what better dream have been really be fine isn't them the penny forces holding wuwa no wa benda so the onda ya we fee so that mattress so no now so da ya so na woni number bi no be bia me ka o yankopon dia mani passe ni pa hwem fan hia bi so aso na ko ni pa dua benda mpaso na nipa de hu no apie ni nam bia bi na nye bia asa okodire konwa bia nim jabaya wa shaskat bia miniskat danser so apuska le kabini memen jamantambia maya mudi asesem bia obeye bia kontabuo da ho me baso na koma kwa mo atase ye kafo ene nipa bia yo madwene se ye ntu omfo owu ya no de fie nyansa what you say verse 4 for say me huna ufo nketwa e bia kase so ogire gina hinwo nanim wa wuo nso akogina bibia nim wo se do obrabu engumam you are somebody massamni kinu wo se your records book before God wo ngoma da nyame nim Nema bi kipu records wo ho den because I had ya obi pia konya bi anim dako nti wo ho nema no ya twa da ho utimi mfa bibi nsi na mi hunu awu fon keto ne akese so ogiragina hin won anim wo buabu ya nguma mu wo bua ngoma foforo bia eya nkwa ngoma nu no wonam ensam a watwere no ngoma nu no so ebubu awufu atan sade wo nwuma te na kyerese dipa wu anan san temu obi da ho wu achi the Paul katra Hebrew for say as is appointed unto man is appointed unto you once to die and after death judgment bere bia me kasa ni wu achi ne ekoso apaka bu otase hade obetima nya post bi na otin what have you be fi nyampopon what have you be fi Jesus obaya mesum nyame but you be fi Yesu e kwan no you be fi e so san Yesu ho be bia di ha obefa e be yi bubu wo mu bia tan se de omunwuma te is nipa wu a o watemu Tinedia de Uya be a betimayo, Piankari. You are something. The moon Kaisa. Ecclesiastes chapter 12, verse 13 and 14 was in the Yoyen now. And the Yoyen Nara. They said there will be Kupa, what Tim will be Fiwano, Sanrian, would the Bebatimu. What do you say? And the Yoyen now, no, the Bebatimu. Papa Obonio, you will be power a quatimu. Christ, Jesus Yaba. Sasa obe hunu no kan bon ya kire no wadu hu afiri ho dane firi ho na ba nkoye biem na ha se so be som do kure mu a odo bon ya chew papa nya dabo dabo tua nya prekusem ye dwan e fa ponche brasem bi a so si bibi o wuntimi nya pese ma wote ase play share ube ko ukojem obi be kasa na so of me so ma enwe wa nwu atemu no ba 2 Peter chapter 3 e jebia so wie mu a onyankopon de betie gu wiase Niema tu le handi bi papampam. Tu o hwa no afanya nsa bobra. Ye careful. The sabe de to from kafa chiro sin yansani. Verse 13. Was it not po eyi na ufo omu no man. Na owuo ani asana do. Na owuo ani asana do. Eye ufo a ewo mu no nso eman no bu omu bi aten se de omu nwuma te there's no hiding place obo ma wugu pum obo esi omu assassin they are all coming out oh ya be ka story bi ne yete ha ne yeto kiro esi wie ne se wuwu achi ana se ebra sa da we e koso no oba do se be se wonu makasa na me kasa ba kosam ni pa be brenda che to me sre wu ade man ni pase wa mutie me no you careful in life ade na yonko aka baby na ade wonwene ho ozo yonko bi se eda ese fridge ti obi mu ma wonko na yi ase ba sadi pa no wu ye no no ko obi yi ase no ko wo so be ko obi so be wo yi ase so enya san no so fa bo bra be ko bu ma ko ma ko kire wade verse 14 was it what to one asamado actually o jakade enu ye no wupre no no bia wa hu no sa wode no din asam kwan mu no o to no twene o jakade enu wan ka so wode ne ko to ho o to no atwene ti asante kasam ya kasi ya to ade bi atwena o tiase Papa o kasi ye nyina beba fom ti ye careful. Ye kasi ya tuwo bi atwena. Bire bi na me trem profo bi mu. Eye simple as otiase. They just say ye waste. Eye chaff. Eye useless. Yankopon kaso de koto ho. Wo so fo butie. Se ni papa ti wiase wem. Na se wantimi amfa Jesus sa de kra na de nkwa. Na se ni kabusu no boni mu a. Babu so ye wula na opomba mpo oba woni nsen na moja na nyina sa ku the feel e ho won fa so mpo sebe sa kontu hine no odi moja hwiegu ani nsangu e kwa asamado ti asama ye kan ya pasia pompe ya bi tumi patrim uta kasa sia uti haidie woni problem cause Proverbs chapter 15 verse 3 Unyankopon so odnani tini fa asaso so wo hwa bone fo ne apapafo. So this is the time of divine observation or show ti he wo pa kwachire akola bi na repu no o Unyankopon he on to mo mo onkun he wo pa tu ni bai firi wo kura ti fa me na foforo o Unyankopon he o din ka wo do pa twenyan bu nkonya so kumuni pa jiska also holding the time no be so what you say to be person di pagina ni bi ti verse 11 ho Revelation chapter 20 verse 11 ho wo se na me hunu ahinwa fita kokoro eye fita ti bribe nim tuntum ni ho What you say? What do you mean comfort dying? Come on, and go process you dying. Na mama nko free. And I just come millions of dollars. Yes, you check. Na mama nko mama nko na Bible. So a pure judgment. Braba oba wi ase ha be bo hen. Wa twa san ngumam obebie ma kyerɛ dako. Enti wontimi nka se Yesu atemu awubu be no. Ɛyɛ onfe. Ti asɛm ni. So my head and my dear platform. Pesa mpanyimfo titire dia ni tire nyina tire sabo yie. Because obi bere yaso. O ta se obi wu akogina konwa bi anim. Te be pesa o tene ho ase na nani nya kamuso a wan kasa Awurade ma nte. Ha. Yankopon won peso bo tene wasoman se mra betra han yen kasa. Ye tra ha se ya ni obi sikanti ne teka. And you will be good, and there will be some fun, will be kind to the attacker. The person will be a keke. And do the announcement is a say, and never tour. Let us tell what a so bold brass force at the open one. And if you only go to Genoa, you will be nigh. Proverbs 22:3. Or say the near tree be our things to say, you will done in a cranko. Then take a form. Cobra for Cassani be more. Profoba will be more. Was it the unthinking people? We are petting we are, so we do for breaking them, and the Kibabu no so we are, so we on meaning quetty. So I kiss why cacraca or from a communion and your bonabasso. Ah, why a cassion? Ah, there's no to be the hope. To assembly or to be the home. Then you may record go. And go for shells, was a papa. Who are the ancho of a free reason. And after a man for pie or so I guess no idea tomorrow. You are going to die. And after death, you are going to suffer. You are nearly pie mobile say. One time a coffee station maybe in Chebia. Go huna buy be pa me share. Mercy be good truth. Let me bet Charles be a wash. Let me share the Wayan who the Buddha's all cross. I don't say. I'm saying, you sacre ye. Tu as something, Shawadi sacre ye. I'm a slam, say, I'm on pastor, Papa Sonko. What does he? Maybe I'm a fat cow, me preaches a good woman, sir. Yes, or be an alcohol, I'm a young Quajisamo. Galati form of Matibako, Chichabu do me and Sakosi do more. Saul and San Obama Paul, what, yes, so be a friendly Jew for soul. What you say? It's no kumlipa. Mama was out there when you say you do. Tiasama kano. Also tiaso ni mundu obi akwaje sakawa. So kwa sorry o. O asori bi mu. So timi diu kona temu atwa fa no soko. Wa kran pasan kran se me kwa sorry aba. Wo mobo papa. Na Awurade beba o. Tiasama what did Dabia to hold on me? The Yamias say, when you go upon your semun, one for 10 more than 2 internet. Baby, I'm a cow. No, I can Google cassette www.thetimegodwillcomeandjudgepeople.com. A piano. So I can do this. Let's have a walk. We are Patricia. What are you? Sabra Chimpan with that train. Sabra wo kosre na wusugu Yesu umbo Yesu Nyankopon nyansam wa nyansa o se ya hoboato any moment president Mills din na wo dan chane tim ko de ba wure bi bia me kawo wa yare kakra wo ko abrochi mama ko hwe ho yare tim aso na so tu asam se si ami kase papa wo tie me na mama who quack day will be him the message. To assembly. Maybe I'm a cassa, maybe I'm a cadi, a brand TV. Crobby shop. We are fit any Yama light off. What are the young fit any near Juma? Yama light off. I know the fitter. Where you wear the Sibia or so Canada. I know the Fidian actor. Cana also soon. Can't a cartoon to have been almost so. Or dear Fidina too. Yaman light off. I know my transact Tom Moody. Tio be traveling. on jobe you are me bo. Bible Hebrews 9:27 was as is appointed unto that king once to die, that queen once to die, and after death fire is set for him or her. The financial of a bobra. About German and the young could to hold demo. What the welding machine had to come. And General Kai said, Kano, more to be. I was so cocomium or Tam Spanner, say, Wokuan. And more good than to assembly you are not there. Nipaya Memobo. The rockers all time. What could Timbo to do a canase? Said the Baya was some Kamianwa. The German be couldn't tell man. What this pan is see canase? Who said, where the machine let electricity to be from? No, they are took on a car to see a conductor in a day. And what this pan and alcohol sauce boat no canase. What this pan and this so boat no canase a pay, the electricity so say green. No. The young correct your channel, so I'm not be any more. What can I want not no sorry if I'm on call can say, what the knife and people can say. So on sorry, but me anymore. What's this? A branch you a move good and or the appear or the trot and animal see him. Or some on the street. Just seconds, what they call. Me, sir, me holy pa, when you pay mobile. So the ones that we are so big, no, I put you to a tongue. Ne diane enam ensa ema akonkosam ni ahantani dre politics e be koso yi nipa ni andate wodi mu da bewu onko firi won sa okopia konwa bi enim dako woni ba kire no wagya wo mparafo na hodo mo gya wo so mi pool mu no eho you are going to appear before the throne ye busa wo say aden na ba wi ase wo do life aye massem I know you pain. I'll be straight to me across the hellfire. Go there and fight for yourself. The whole number who's a jandam nipamu. Ha, maybe a Japan and go for shake. That's what the man nipo. Who come out to 25 verse 41. Also was CSA the amount of bon sabbin and above. For just say, you need padia. Until giant gamma on sabbin above. Don't make any attempt of getting there. People say, oh, baby, I say, that's a bon sam, and a buffalo. What was the burning me? No, dear child. Now go for the walk of flower. What I say, Obey qualify was all come on, summon a buffalo, or no call. Could you not come here in Dako? Driver near which you will be touchy, you are DC cab. You are going to face the judgment seat. You are somebody. Sha! Your baby call. Your baby did not answer. To verse 12, Revelation 20, verse 12. Was it any whom you for? You heard me say, I saw. Man can tell us a story. Make me whom I saw it myself. And you will be the best catcher, man. I saw it. Me who know phone can tell you, I can say. Well, and so sorry. So much in a community. We were sorry. I was a mess as I'm a catcher. Ya me tade yem fanto pa ni pa oni mo wu ahwenna obi da was me so da na me ko ba bi mi tu kwan fine anaju do mienu ukuro ya no wo no yere ne da o yiri hu se wo da mpa so ukuro ya se na wo tu kwan nti wo hwan na wo tu kwan na wo hwan so na da mpa so nyame wo peso kasa kire wo se nyansani o ta se nti nipa duado be de nipa duado na nipa na pie ni na baby se santi timu we pa ne fe no wu no se nipa ni pie no wansa me wura duado bi mu you are dead o se duana ko chef na nipa na makomia bi ani okobu akonta o ba wi ase aso de nipa bia ba adwaman ko bu mu akonta obi abi emu mam o tiase nipa o wo nwoma o nyame ani mo. You have a records book before God. What I say? Yeah, above for nature. Nipa. Ya wa above for. Ya nyame you mama e. Tini. Person obi ati ayi. You come Matthew 18 verse 10. Matthew chapter 18. Who above for? On sa wada do baby to so wada deep. Who the be na wa wanwane. Na wanwane sa. Ya so what take your time so. Time so an wan wagene say wo be sore. On sa ade echi a obi a wada de se nka nim sa ade ache. Eye den na ade echi ye na na se bibia nwa no wa sore. Bibi o. Amen chere wade. Matthew chapter 18 verse 10. So the biwa dream and sina when the bow was what papa. One found whom mother and Yahweh. Do I allow better? The careful in the dim quanta. The baby ametaka. The Pabio ya what yasemano. You're very to so. Baby ametaka pa trapam for say. The Pabio a product beer every day. The Pabiana pop. Na a ni pardon and a baby any munyam. Na kasa traman force animu bibiri. Oro person who say the peduane pra. Wona mo 3 days and 4 days in yare. Bia me kawo radio stations ahodo bibiri be kasa. Bia na won ten. Wona 3 days 4 days in yare. Fa won sate wo motom ne hwiare. Wo betin kasa wo pro. Ni na free ye move ba bontin nyina nya papa. Ya fa wo ne ko ko hwiare. Wo tin kasa wo pro. Nipadua we nipa no e madua nya ni monam se nipa ni free dua dum se kim nipadua no ansa pro ya jare ho 3 days 4 days ne hade that's all. Yes masa dini nipa no ho wate so ba se do ni nku pa yo nipadua obi a wo so kwa afori o ti se de wa se ke kama do ne wo mo wire ni wani echi ni wani mu ti wa wo hwa hwem wo wo so ba se bodam ni you saw yourself say ofe na ho etai so you be wani hu na de kwa akira nka you judge it yourself de wa wasan ye wani sei na ho tiri hu se de wa ye ho na wa wo hwa hwehwe mu a nti wo de komfo nka bu sunsun ne dem na wo safra wo sa wo sai Kristo ni so do ni nku pa ye wo de one time obi fre ebu sam zofo awia pa na me ho sesebe na me ho twa me na me se nche obewu so for na kasa na me se hwe de oni nku aye ho. What did you share? What slammer to say? Would it be a skin of Mediano? A sayama would not green and the APA paper. Yanko point and Simon, who was a science form the catcher. What the Antimabia said, any be before. You read your yasset, your friend Milan. Yeah, and the boy who by free and we are a Africa. A boy who sanity wouldn't be a tea. And what the encata one mind sanity. Say obi free a we are boke say ayabe ontimi nyina so. Say broni free European countries no Africa a we are boke say no to baby ase. Wo mun ni sa mela ne ni bi e wo mo wi de na se skin na so mo ni bi. Ye de Africa anya mi ni ndo de bebu an wa mai sa an mo wi de no de ase wo de line ni dia line ye wi de na se. What you say? E binum di nko popo na ma ekete Ubewu bi pofremu a wonte ase ka obo break akrebi bra nyame nhyɛman se onu wode bɛkɔ ukogina konya bi anim dakɔ sa do nipadua we kwa nyame nim so obosu no wo ba wiase onim so obo tuntum tu pie wa bɛde wahu ufre he bi pa bɛbrɛ wo kom ma Luke chapter 12 verse 7 was it dream ko wiring wakai when you body pass, no said was in my bed. Was your hair or number of hair? Wakai. The man must sell the free stores. It's not the big goose no day. Big problems. Who could be a hawk netadi? We must have just one question. I must say, Yamisuma Rani and say, I come among Kona. The better studio house, DJ said, the family in a cabin a betra. Let me go do could try and come from me. Because I didn't know you. She assembly you. Me person the pani be no money bomb so. Who could not could be in the Korandi? She assembly. Person the casa chosen Yensen. Be careful. We are saying our hawker. Whom can be free ones, the Padiana pro. The new party woman. Papa be yes, Abosabra Fono. I will look chapter 12, verse 16 to 21. Papa be Abosabra. What your translation? Adriane. Edidie odom ema edwaman krono edi suba hodo obi o Kwa wonyansi kanya japade no na ka kire me kra hye me kra didi no mabo ntoyem Bible say e hona na anadwo no onyankopon no api ho be ka kire sa nipa so ye kwasea pa uya kwasea pa didi no mabo ntoyem wa we universities o dia ba e ka twa o dia ba isika ma o tete say didie na num se mabo toyem Ubusu yini sa de wa kwasra nkom bia yeko e ma di o chintu so ru se wo post Abrante besro fanyan sa to abrabo wa nhuru Yesu abebre pa e de no kora na e ka chawo Luke John chapter 3 verse 36 was obi a o Yesu no nkwa so woni mu Yesu woni nkwa nyankopon bufo dalso wa ma time se fa sakra wadwe obebie bie nguma mato ani mu wande matu asampati du motwe Chasami abofo bi ho a keep records Some 91 verse 11 and 12 was so send abofo amawo especially Christopher Muntani say won hwe so wakwa nyinam wadwa aye ho no e ka wakwa no ho ba mo hwe mo ye masturbation twetwe mo bema na mo ho abad se dem no oba bi ada no Yankopon God is watching you won hwe so wakwa nyinam enti obi yire na ho ne wo fa ne sabade ana wo se fa so nkonko ya adwuma bi ma wo na wo fa do afo bo ho ana so office ho onyankopon so wakwa nyina mu no asa na bofo so mo nhwo today I watch over you to be yire na wo so so no fum na wo fe na no na wo gine nipadua no ana wo ba no so wa ya hu tese na so wo bi yire o na wo ja wo ho ama ba ma bi no no so ya wo sa skalifi be ma tu kwa ko be goro no wo buru ye ntos na nya yi nto bando ni nipadua ye no wo so o ya fa no hodi. The angels are keeping records. To so be a woman. I didn't be a way to cook never be keeping records. Was so be a woman much when one day. That judgment day. The public blessing. What I say was so more I said about family. So we shall see there are some angels watching over you. We are seeing now Jebrites. Oba bro. What you say? Above for me, keep here. Who said that? Young to Yankano. What did one day? The camera so. Would you so this? You could I am not trouble thing. Sanity. If you are in that. What you say? Above for me, keep records. The papa, a human out to my dear human music. The angels are watching over you. Or will keep records one after the other. No, they are not only there to protect you. They are not Christopher Bompire, and I don't have for him. So, my kind name into a mess on the woman, some name Pimbo, and so to a big crow. Would not kill more horse and an Pimbo. The only doesn't care for born crime for some petrol. Call to Babon. As you have crowd away the fossil. Ha! Keep on your careful. The angels are watching over you. Matthew chapter 18, verse 10. Matthew 18:10. Dear. Was a motion man to try and kuma. A bako and him. Obama Jimmy, yes, what the moon here or more. Now, Miss Simo, sir, or so. Warm up buffalo. And Shemaja, or so no, any muda. Warm up buffalo. Uba Kristo manu asete abofo bia ma ho so wonya nsakra iso so Onyankopon nani wo cho otase uko Acts chapter 12 verse 15 Acts chapter 12 verse 15 kama ye Herod til Peter tu mo be kunu no ho na aso asafo no so de mpa bo ta Peter ji pompa ye ma no sa na Nyankopon bofo ko yi Peter ti Peter ba ya ho bo pono no asafo no wo mu bo mpa ye ma no no emu no abaye be friend Roda o tene no se aso for Peter na ebe ana o mo ne bo mpa ye se da bi enye Peter dem eye ne bofo o ta say let you say they believe they have that idea in mind say every person who tell you have a special being putting records on you to the cemetery do law chichemu edu ba ko ne du mi ro o so obi abi engumam se sia o tia se de wu hunu ngoma ne da A spiritual book. Every person, what you be a no records go home, ya almost check here. What you say? See, walk of four be a better home passo. Wouldn't be binty. What you say? To Obama, mammy, you, Bama, Obama, what in a dump out to pay him to our year. You are something you one castle conscience, one thing the catcher of say, Oba where you be, and I don't have any right to touch her. It's because of what Jim Pony and Wakuma dream, and you're so then why would you say? When the bone some between a monty, or 4 years much in the woody. No foul. You're careful. When you must say you mate, and what you moon or the now. If you cast a mumpo, Matthew 12:36, or cast some po. Why fast our casa or record to? This is a fear. Kubu Makunta. Very careful. What won't be a biomano anyhow? You got me cassette here. We will for the woody. And there be a set once and now, not make a choice. Say, see how you will be on your way. Did you open here? Sanity. Today is the time of divine observation. Or the need that Susan or who can you put in or hell? Wodo mame kwaje sakawa no hunu ocha se wa wodo mame ana obusuafo bia kwaje sakawa ene woda ka mu nyansa be pade o ka so be ka hawo bi wakupie wo akina be sua nyansa papa ocha se ye kafo wakum wo bia ko peska ha yankopon tomike wase moja na wo hwie gu asase so no Genesis chapter 4 was one year ever, ni mojano, and that's what Tiemu Sufle ni Piasaso. Mojani Tiem. To win himself for Woody, or bow when you sako ye trouble, you think, sir, you are free. Also, come by, will be a who, oh, we say, come on. Oh, when you say when you records be down. You are the beba. You are the beba. You do a terrible some who cobble some who are not sound the better sorry. Cobble some who are not sound the big winson. Who cobble some who are not said the Okasa son. And rather one carry now. What come will be a Japadi? What I say, Tito him for Rubino. Come on, young Cono Falcomian. Transform and Lord. Oh, na, you would die one day. Shia yo. Ha, Papa Tio. What come will be for the Japadi? Yanko 1 Kings chapter 21, verse 25. Yanko Pon catch the ledger, say, let go catch the Ahab say. So the phone away. In Kraman better play the Muja. What come Napot? I found Bobby true. What him on for the Bobby true man. What him on go Pabus na fortune. There would be so a father woody behind her. And Kraman better for the Muja now. But see the answer or hellfire. Or the Suade. Who say we are so Namhoka? We be enough and we're free. If you try to young Kunam Kukumpa, a Juma on any year, a Juma back on any year. Whatever didn't want to some year you did. Wouldn't have for the record be yes. She has me. Two seconds come how would you want them? Was angels and Domin said Wombo, not at the end could tamo trends are. Trends are no more swamty. So, who be about check? I'm a pure. Big true. College just nearby, Anna, who university graduate, and I say, teacher need power check, senior high school, no team JHS Niakola, now fun. Oh, common sense, oh, Yabarano. Only Munyansa, Utio. Yan son is a question. Babu Sinyans and Fitias here. And they were the shoe. Yo. On Yanko Concord office. Until Colano Mutura Madianwa. They are almost a dream. Yo. To us, you have a pump at Debbie. I took him. I didn't pay any wow ben who we are saying. Record on us. Ube would dako. Eh, and before Jeba told you to Ongoy. But Melon Goy. Lucky do be swear. Pabu Bonkoi. Bob Santotia. Yo, Bob Kalasway. Kojo Baby Dunko. Liu Mahama. Atamesuko. Hati, David Uncle, a black off. We don't want to see Kaikon. Oko. Nana Fiasa could be amping on Soko. Tessa Cabaso Soko. Papa Tiasama catch on. The who is the next? So see, I'm a chair, I'm a Kanyam so long. I don't know how to send them in. Come on, the two Obi. Said Obi, Ebeniam yet TBMO. We are the last message OT for his life. What's the say we are self so papa? Business away here, our previous no pa. So business, what you said. But this time, your Casa is a cassette trainings on you. Shall I hear two a month for? Not a total life. Service said the air trauma will be Tomia, maybe a heifer. That was a child about your grandpa. Yes, what training some now was so bad in challenge. Would you know who was too tired? You're careful. Your high must say gangs. Will be Povia and a kum will be an abe high. Namako kumni panuma diska. Or put a mommy. Ha! Abraje, ana abaya waya husa. Edisimu nipa. Say a better than Kuno. What more we Delilah, who are we here? Sablo Biso Chapatasia is a tita. Ha! Assemble Badabi. Now, there will be a medical cow. Onyanko pony in the three fast as so. Or show be a. No was so maybe be a woman dako. Now have a 13 and 14. Was na po e na ufo mu mai. Owo ni asamado e na ufo mu mai. Asase e ye ufo mu mai. All these objects near my room have fully palm with them. So there's not going to be a hiding place for any person during the judgment day. If an uncle say, as I say, grass one pill, pursue one pill, the sort of the way. Come and do it. To the person to Monimua, who come to chapter 13, verse 40, was what is a wula, chaff. Obe who so yin tetene dijan dako. Papa, the show, such a woman yan idea, get on dacho. When you have the power, who reason well to get a dacho. Who did the unknown, a man young coupon can't trust or quassia. Sana dream could have few sir. A Japadiana watches and a bear one dia. Jasoni. What did you let you? Did you make Kai and Tato? Namin family. A decent tell you into Muduno. Was it will be a one who sat? What training green Asham Kongman? So Christ is going to base on the book of life for judgment. The woman here too. The records book on the Nipebi was as well be a cum. The will be a little to a cum. To help, who threw up any beacho. When you have been a could do hotro. Then you catch on. Now the book of life look at Jesus, with Christ. Ordinary training call for the gum. Tell you no could be much in a jump, Nankopon. It was one fan so wire. Only or quite no crank. Who been to be Pierre and Copon in Wabra for years so. No cranny catch on. Tis all soon be munas and years soon out Gidia. Be careful for young Satrabraco. Than a break his China only quite. To go build Dimutra against a jack. Who saw Mamma Quas as the bomb assembly of the sheer Moja Gumani Pano. The modernity to me. What will I give to me? On Mamma Chain, to Omudini, one in Uncle Punching woman, or Shema, a cousin in Braheaven, Kwame at Braheaven, entry Braheaven. Do you read the same? Touchy Braheaven, Polawia Braheaven, Quasimo Braheaven. And it's Shannon and Coposa, and Quabumodi and Comuba him for being with you. You can also quite this about Bible say, I him for being with the money with young people. I him for be, Bobum Pebbles much like. So the Binum Goon Santi Chanko cook and nine, a Diabosumachino. I him for being you careful with your lives. One conco your devil could chanko yan, could garin conyanamani of you. I trust you when say we are sick, and you will be there. To us, you. To a city. No, Obi and Kwanguman, no beer, one who say, what did not send Kwanguman, Obia, whosoever was not found written in the book of life, is cast into the lake of fire. Oh, Papa to asama kaniye. Eja bi da ho twa nipa. Bo obi biara wa hu no se wa twa ni dia se nkwan mu. Wa to no twene. Wa to no twene. Wan ka se ode ne ko to ho. Ye ka se ato ade bi atwena. Na che se eye waste. Eje o sika no japa de wo nyae ho ha. Eje o titire no ni tire no post ekuta ho. Nipa bi aye waste before God. Wa to no twene. Whosoever, be the prophet, evangelist, pastor, whoever, the king, queen, MPs, MCs, whosoever was not found written in the book of life. Abaya heard why only Pedro Anamo. Tinanko Poman Fatidia we call this in Wabo for Beboa. The minister can now talk. Can bear my treasure so. She messing the pay me with your good so. She was no more. Only tell so them pay Yako. I'm not judging you, but I'm trying to correct you. So you're careful. Maybe a soft mommy be here because whosoever was not found written in the book of life will be cast into the lake of fire. Until so years of mommy, so your MP, so your minister, so your evangelist. Ya de birum who ya Mr. Say. Me na ma sorry so. Na me buy a check. Na me right reverend one. Forget them. Luke chapter 10 verse 20. O catch the Peter. Money is our money, sound money, I bring one some more. Money is our money to be to be now money, my son to be some come here prophet. Forget them. Or some money is what trim, dear Sam Congo. They say we must also hit on this. We are some Pakani Cassia party poor. We are prophet in the nation with this a hifa. And you will come and put all who cannot cast a good old. Why is your name written? That is the question. Now come to chapter 7, verse 21 down. Was say no be or sin is every day rate. Remember the boys or say you be out was so more or me for major also on the end. Now petty who cure the hen who but you I was so much vampire but you so temporal. And Yamia Pediano. What you be here? Yamia Pedi. What do I see Capamboneso? And Yamia Pedi. What is so be? A Yamia Pedi. Ocophobia. A Yamia Pedi. And so bow some bomba you took you on Pibum. The Fabiamo. Evangelist, who can't have some also cook or be when you didn't tell me. Who be him to some cook away. Who be him a quarter or do one cordial. So Babon Town, you feel so big. So you have many pa. And we have a train. Do you have somebody know? Tomato 7, verse 21 to 23. Was it done to be brave about the cassette? Young Vodia Sankom, Young Vodia to money, young cartons. 1 year to be catches the move 3 minutes on call. Mamma, we are the entry. Now, all cartons to 2 money. And last time the catcher man for be said, a bit more cartons, so more cobble subject. Robabani is soon to subject. Well, life what to say. Labrabo conclude your deco, your tons was ever. Then cassette tons in yet. What you say? You conquer your bravo. No miracles away. Never before convoy in Jibai. 2 years of what Jibai, Anna. The other way I muscle. What you say? Ye can't bravo if I tell you that. So we are Christian. Yes, you training for you on Congo. To Musa again, I would not train. Obe Woodako. When you can go so be here. Did you have a mumpire water? Me person the empire. Okay. What you enquire woman from Rasa? Yamisrao. Me the empire be chapter. Now, the American chapter in answer. A brasso send nipa ni bomoso. So to be kunu jai. What could dear warrior so oba or warrior so? Jai or bana or tehono, our dear man. Kopukun. A me womb co say, and son workers in Uriak. Subambody be out tuno. Your body will say, I couldn't go down hunting. Finance at all. Then done for the home by your children. No can be what training some a Monday to know some power. Some workers in Urianka. A running kind of phone with trouble. The young for me that was said. Quite on the move 2 million of dollars for a cassa train. What them so be any penny water. Never true Bremia could be any. We are saying Papadia. A young day around what better what the alcohol. Wouldn't you away in Famo be the home crack or trap by so then why away la mine what better why at all? Now I WS who old trim so the Benjini punk free and some wasn't a serious way. So should you with the person who had the man home country Ni hu kwan be fa so e be boye bra. Ni de ho ase Yesu nsa. Na tembo kase no ba ana se owu fa ye mpofre mu a. Ye dwane age ye kra nkwa. Eruade me da wase so ado ye ntu otie me. E wo Jesus Christ odi mu nti. Amen. Amen.